Today, I'll walk you through how to block or allow access to your website from certain countries or regions using Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up these access rules so you can better manage your website's security and traffic. First, let's open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your website settings. Once you're logged in, you should see your website listed on the main page. Next, in the left navigation menu, go to the Security section. This area is where you can find various options to protect your site from unwanted traffic. Now, click on Custom Rules and then select Create a Rule. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to specify which countries you want to block or allow. Enter a rule name that makes sense to you. This could be something like block access from specific countries or whitelist countries. Choose a name that will help you remember the purpose of this rule. Under the field, Operator and Value section, you'll configure the conditions for your rule. First, select the field as country. This tells Cloudflare that you want to filter traffic based on geographical location. For the operator, select Is In if you are targeting a group of countries. This means you'll be blocking or allowing access based on a specific set of countries. In the Value section, choose the country or countries from the drop-down list. This is where you specify which locations you want to manage access for. Now let's choose the action. Scroll down to the Choose Action section. If you want to block access, select Block. This will deny access to visitors from the countries you've chosen. If your goal is to allow only specific countries, also known as whitelisting, set the operator in the previous step to Is Not In. Then choose your allowed countries in the value list. Set the action to Block. This configuration will block everyone except the selected countries. Finally, click Deploy at the bottom of the page. This will activate your new access rules and you're all set. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare updates its interface regularly. It's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.